In this video, I will be explaining how you can work with the layers in Photoshop. So you can consider the Photoshop document as a collection of layers. Each layer can have image, text, shape, etc. And you can order the layers as well. So let us see how you can add the layers, and then I will also show you how you can order the layers. So when you order the layers, visibility changes. So let us see that in the practical. So I'm going to create a new document over here by going to File, New, and then click on Create. So when you create a fresh document, you can see that one layer is added, and that you can see over here on the right hand side. There is this tab called as Layers, and this is the default layer that is created for you. Now let us add another layer on the top of this layer. So for that, just click on this button right at this bottom. You can see there is a Create New Layer button. Just click on that, and you can see the new layer is added. Now there is nothing in this layer. Also, this layer is a transparent layer, so let us fill this layer with some other color. So for that, I'm gonna open the pen tool. So you can see here there is a pen tool, paint bucket tool. So if you can't see any tool, just right click here, and then you will see list of tools. So just click the paint bucket tool, and then this is the foreground color. You can change this color as well if you want, and then I'm just gonna fill it. So you can see that now there are two layers, layer 1 and this is the background layer. You can also change the name of this layer, say layer 1, and if you want to move this layer, what you can do is just click on this move tool. This is the move tool, and then you can just move it like this, and you can see that as I move this layer, the layer that is beneath this is being visible. You can see that it is becoming visible after I move this layer. Now let us add another layer over here. So to add the layer above this background layer, you can select this background layer and then click on this Create New Layer. So what will happen is that new layer will be added between this layer 1 and background layer. But if you want to add the layer just above this layer 1, then select that layer first and then click on Create New Layer, and you can see the new layer is created. And now let us add one text into that. So I have added one text over here, and I'm gonna just change the color of this one, and like this. So just move it here. So now this text layer is the third layer. As you can see, there are 3 layers at this point of time. And similarly, you can also add the images as well. Just drag and drop the image on the top of this particular top layer, and what will happen is that new image layer will be created. So let us do that first. So I'm gonna add this HTML page, and you can see this particular image has been added at this position. So you can just drag and drop it as well. So if you want to change the position, you can change it like this, and then you can resize it as well like this, and then you can click on this tick mark. So this transform will be committed, and right now you can see that there are 4 layers. And if you want to just hide layer, any of this layer, just click on this eye icon, and you can see that layer with this blue color is removed. So basically layer is still there, but it is not visible at this point of time. So this is another cool trick that you can use when editing the images in Photoshop. That's it. Thanks for watching.